If you're looking for free camping, a great location with plenty of hikes and beautiful scenery, we've got just the place for you. So I've never seen an avalanche, well, definitely not one while it's happening, but here's the end result of one. So we are just north of Cottonwood Campground in Utah, free camping. And we're hiking this trail, not really too far. In this whole section, I guess where the trail normally comes, wiped out trees, everything. I mean, everything is pretty wild. It's amazing. So what's amazing is probably 40 feet above the snow, this tree is snapped off way up here. So either from the wind or the snow or all of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back with the drone and fly this. Should be pretty amazing. I've said amazing a couple of times, haven't I? It is. Hey guys, Ray here with Corn Dog Caravan. In today's video we're going to be showing you Cottonwood Campground just outside of I don't know if it's Nephi, Utah. We were originally coming out here to do the Nebo Scenic Highway, kind of it's a loop, but due to, I think, just erosion, snowfall, all that kind of stuff, they've closed the Scenic Byway or Highway or loop. Within minutes from the gate, there's 3 camping spots. One's a group campground, one's a free campground, and one's a paid campground. You know us, we like the freebies. So, swung in here. There's probably 20 sites. There's a vault toilet. There is a running creek. I'll show you that in a minute. It's just, the beauty is just unbelievable. Now, we are here in middle of May of 23, and they've had unprecedented snowfall. And we've got a couple of little sneak peeks we're gonna show you. But yeah, we highly recommend this. This is a 6-day limit. We got here on a Sunday, and we had the whole place to ourselves. Today is Friday. We're almost at our limit, and it's starting to fill up. Nice and quiet though. A lot of families. I'm sure in the summertime this place gets busy because it's just beautiful. But I will say, for this season, when you're watching this video, pay attention definitely to weather reports, because there's still a lot of snow. Matter of fact, you're going to see in the video what I'm talking about. But all the trails, at least for now, are shut down. So we tried to do a couple of those yesterday and couldn't advance down the trail very far. So yeah, so if you're interested, down in the description we'll put the coordinates for this, all that. We also use What 3 Words, so we'll put that in here too. And I will say, we don't have any cell signal here. We've got friends that we're with that have a Verizon plan, and they also don't have signal. Almost up towards the, I guess it's Mount Nebo, there was one, I think it's Salt Creek, but I think it's the Salt Trailhead. There was a brief connection, but not enough for any data or anything. Maybe if we get notifications, that's about it. So the nice thing is, back in town, great service, great coverage, a couple of good restaurants, grocery stores, decent price, pretty much everything you need. Water, we couldn't find in the town. I'm sure it's somewhere. We just couldn't find it. Nothing was on the iOverlander app. So yeah, just have water. There's no electric here, but there is vault toilets. Highly recommend, as I'll say again. But yeah, let me just turn the camera around and just show you. I'm walking up the road back to our campsite. Good and level sites too, with fire rings, picnic tables. Yeah, everything you need. But yeah, take a look.
Yeah, that's been our view. Pretty horrible, isn't it? We don't know when the snow's gonna melt. I bet.
I'm just kind of thinking it's gonna be probably August or September before this stuff melts off. There is a huge avalanche that happened just a couple of weeks ago. We met some locals yesterday, and they said that they heard, it was about 2 weeks ago that they heard there had been an avalanche. I don't know if that's actually when it happened. Judging by the debris on top of the snow from the avalanche, it's been a couple of weeks, I think, because all the trees are blooming, so a lot of the bloom buds and stuff are on top. I didn't see any tracks in the snow, so no one's gone across it, and I wouldn't recommend it. There's spots. I'm flying the drone again today over it, and it looks like there's some spots that might be 40 feet deep. It's pretty it's overwhelming just looking at it. I sure hope no one was snowshoeing when it happened. I don't know what time of day it happened. I can't imagine the rumble that it just produced, because it's massive. So guys, if you liked the video, give us a like. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell right there. Yeah, hit it. Comment below if you have any questions about the site or anything else. I'll just turn the camera around and show you our camp spot.
Yeah, what a horrible view, right? But I will say, this summer, if you come here, this water is chilly, and it is putting off a nice cool breeze right here. Yeah, I don't think this normally flows like this. All the locals are coming by.
All the locals have been driving by, at least about 20 a day, checking the water. And everyone has driven up and stopped and just let out a big old wow. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. Thanks for watching, guys.